If I could advise one thing for renters, it would definitely be book your campgrounds first. I've had a couple situations where a client rented an RV because they were just so excited and they found the perfect RV and they wanted to make sure no one else booked it. And then they'd call me and say, I can't get a camping spot. Especially if you're going to a big park like Yosemite or just like a national park, any national park, make sure you have your campground spots reserved right away and then find an RV. What I wish I knew when I just started renting as opposed to now, one, do a thorough walkthrough to make manuals, instruction lists. Making the manuals was really, really essential.
The owner, they thought of everything with this RV. They have an iPad that comes with all the videos, how to do everything, photos of how to do everything, and all of the manuals on how to do everything. That's huge, and we used it, yes, several times last night, several times, because I would have called the owner a few times if we didn't have that tool.
Even though operating RVs is really easy, there's a lot of buttons to press, a lot of functions. How do you empty the waste tanks? How do you start the generator? Why are my outlets working? There's a lot of questions. So many people that are renting RVs, they're first-time renters and they're nervous, and it's okay to be nervous. And it's your responsibility as the owner of the vehicle or the owner of the company to make sure the clients feel at ease and they feel comfortable and confident. Training videos and manuals really helped us make the uncomfortable situation a little bit more comfortable.